Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the Goods and Service Tax. Today I will tell you the valuable aspects, central and state level tax merges into GST and the GST rate. First, I am telling you the valuable aspects of the GST. It is to be known with the name of One Nation, One Tax. Indirect tax is levied on the supply of goods and services. It is passed in the Parliament on 24th March 2070 but came into existence on 1st July 17. That means it will implemented on 1st July 2017. Now, this is the format. The so many taxes earlier were taken separately with the name of excise duty, custom duties, service taxes, central sale taxes. Now, with the GST, now all are merged into one. It means these are the central taxes which are now merged into GST. Now, this is the format of the state level taxes. Now, you may see the luxury tax, octroi tax, entry tax, purchase tax, entertainment tax, VAT, and the taxes on the lottery. These were taken by the state separately, but now they are also merged into one tax called as GST. Now, first, now you may see the rates. Now, the rates are to be given by the government in the 2017, like essential items will be charged no GST. Then the common use item GST rate will be applied 5% and the standard rate is 12%. Maximum goods and services standard rate 18% and luxury items and tobacco 28%. So these are the rates which can be varied times to time and can be modified. But now the rate will be given in your questions and then you have to do accordingly. The next is when the GST anything is purchased, that means money flow is moving out, then the GST is paid by the businessman for purchasing the goods or hiring the services. So it is next one is it is collected from the customer called as GST collected. So here the two words are there. One is the GST paid and second is the GST collected. GST paid is called as input GST and the GST collected called as output GST. It means when a businessman purchases any goods and hires any services for the resale purposes, so that means he has to pay the GST. But it will be collected from the customer later on. So that means it is to be called as GST output. So these are the contents now as a theoretical, so you may observe.